Hello, my name is Christine and I want to welcome you to Stillwater Golf and Country Club. It's my privilege today to share with you our two 40-foot product line homes. We have two models we're going to look at. The first one is the Alexia. It's 1714 square feet and it is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath. Let's go take a look inside. Welcome home to our Alexia. One of the things that Lennar does really nice with their floor plans is they design a very open and user-friendly kitchen that flows into the dining area, that flows into the great room. So all of the family, all of your family and friends can be together enjoying life at the same time. Since we are an active adult community, 55 plus, this room is presented as a den or an office with these beautiful French mullion doors. So why don't you come visit us today, look at this beautiful Alexia model, and then be able to pick your location in our new phase.